Ever found yourself wrestling with complex codes to build a website? Imagine if there was a way to make it all simpler. Picture this. A league of heroes, here to revolutionize the way you design websites. Welcome Cleap AI, Leia AI, Hocus AI, Pineapple AI, and the latest member of the squad, Zero AI. These groundbreaking AI builders are here to make coding a relic of the past. Meet Cleap AI, your tool to craft pixel-perfect designs with ease. Then there's Leia AI, ready to transform your wildest ideas into stunning layouts. Hocus AI is your key to customizing and personalizing like never before. Pineapple AI offers seamless integration of advanced features. And last but not least, Zero AI is paving the way for effortless web design. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned pro, these tools help you bring your vision to life with precision and flair. Introducing your ultimate web design dream team. Cleap AI, Leia AI, Hocus AI, Pineapple AI, and Zero AI. The best part, no coding needed. Now everyone can design a website with AI. It's time to unlock the power of creativity at your fingertips. Don't wait, experience the future of web design with AI today. And remember, to stay ahead of the curve in the world of web design, subscribe and hit the bell for the latest updates. With AI-powered magic, we're making website creation a breeze. So are you ready to leap into the future?
Don't miss out! Subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated on the revolution in web design.